So speaking of the NFTs, you've got one of the largest, if not the largest, YouTube conference, VidSummit. What are the chances and when are we going to be getting an NFT to get access to VidSummit, Derral? I got to know.
So I have two partners in VidSummit. One is Mr. Beast, and he's so into crypto NFTs. He's been doing it for a very long time. And then also Sean Duras, who owns Space Station Integrations. They actually have an NFT project. They're one of the pioneers. They have a thing called Quarter Machine. I wouldn't be surprised if something's coming. I'm not going to say it is or not, but like we push the envelope in so many different ways, and yeah, we'll see what happens. So.
Okay. You heard it here first.
Is that elusive enough?
That's pretty elusive, but I could see Mr. Beast like saying, we're going to have, I don't know, we're going to stack NFTs to the top of the conference hall or something like that.
100%. I can see that happening. So
I'm excited. I'm excited to see what happens next. Derral.
Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link. Check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media.